He had a stroke. He's lucky. Very little damage occurred to his brain. Good. You brought him here quickly. He's under observation and treatment has started.
What is a stroke, doctor? How did it happen?
A stroke is often described as a brain attack. Part of the brain is robbed of oxygen and blood supply. In hemorrhagic stroke, a blood vessel ruptures and blood spreads in the brain. An ischemic stroke is caused by blocked blood vessels. It is important to know about TIA, transient ischemic attack, often called mini stroke or warning stroke, that lasts for less than 5 minutes. The blockage is temporary and symptoms are similar to a stroke. For hemorrhagic ischemic stroke or TIA, the person should be taken to the hospital immediately. If the stroke goes untreated for a long time, more brain damage can occur. Your father had an ischemic stroke. Good that you brought him here within 1 hour of the stroke, and we started treatment to stop any major damage.
Thank God, Roshan, you brought father immediately. How did you know he was having a stroke?
We had a doctor's lecture in college on stroke. He said an excellent test for checking stroke is F face, A arm, S speech, T time, fast. Papa and I were taking a walk. He suddenly fell down and started vomiting. His face seemed uneven. His jaw dropped to one side. I asked him to raise his arms, but he could raise only one arm. I could not understand what he spoke. It was slurred. These were all signs of a stroke, and I immediately called an ambulance. Nobody is prepared for stroke. Knowing fast can help save a life. Let's look at fast again. F face. Does it drop to one side? A arm. Does it feel weak or simply droop? S speech. Can you understand the speech or does it sound slurred and strange? T. If any of these answers are yes, it is time. Call an ambulance and rush to the hospital.
I'm happy you knew what to do. Could we have prevented this?
Mrs. Khanna, let me explain in detail to you. The non-modifiable risk factors are: risk of stroke increases with age. In most age groups, more men have a stroke, but more women die from a stroke. Stroke risk increases if a family member has previously had a stroke. After a stroke, efforts should be made towards rehabilitation and recovery, since a recurrent stroke could be fatal. Modifiable risk factors can be managed. Your husband is prone to have a stroke again. Take care of his health. His heart health is not very good and he is diabetic. Lifestyle changes have to be made. No alcohol and smoking. Maintain a healthy weight through diet, which is low on fat and high in nutrition. Give him wholesome, natural and non-processed foods. Cut down on his caffeine. Though he can have sugarless tea, he must exercise at least 30 minutes daily. Consult a nutritionist and physical trainer. See that he reduces his stress and takes his medicine daily. We have to monitor his BP closely. Your role in his recovery is challenging, but we are here to support you. We will guide you and your family for his quick recovery. Support him physically and emotionally. Accept help as much as you can and take care of your health.
Thank you, doctor. I will follow all your instructions and do everything to see that my husband is fit and fine again.
We were happy Papa was back home. We worked as a team and helped him recover. Papa was scared, but with a strong will and our support, he worked hard to get back to normal. He had trouble eating and swallowing. We changed his diet and chopped food into small pieces and pured it. He couldn't walk easily. We put a foot brace to walk with better control. We raised the toilet seat, installed rails and grab bars, replaced manual things with automatic ones wherever possible. We made sure he was active and regular with exercises and therapy. He could not control his bladder, so we made sure he was close to a toilet. We changed his diet and water consumption patterns. He had to use adult diapers for only some time. The pain caused a lot of discomfort. His elbow became stiff and wouldn't straighten out. He could not sleep. His medicines and physiotherapy helped him a lot. Papa had a huge problem talking. He had forgotten things which had happened and we reminded him with short stories. He got frustrated, angry and was depressed. We too were very tired but did not give up. With the help of a counselor, he started communicating and got his speech back. Doctors and our family helped us through this. Friends visited and kept him engaged. It is now 1 year and I am proud that my father is back on his feet. He has learned the importance of medicines, no smoking and alcohol, nutritious food, exercise, and is managing his diabetes and hypertension.
Most conditions which develop after stroke will improve with time and rehabilitation. The road to recovery includes a lot of effort by the caregivers and the family to help bring things back to normal.